Insulin is often described as an anabolic hormone, but that label may obscure something far more specific. Insulin is fundamentally a metabolic coordinator for the distribution and conservation of energy across every cell in the body. Here we refer to the body's natural insulin production and its metabolic role. This matters for optimizing nutrients in intense training routines. When insulin functions naturally, in a healthy way, which is this segment's core focus, it's not simply building tissue, it's coordinating the entire metabolic symphony. We explore what that coordination actually accomplishes. When a diet includes certain food types, particularly complex carbohydrates, insulin responds by facilitating glucose uptake into cells. One of the key reasons is due to fiber content. Slow-release glucose and other nutrient cofactors naturally present in complex carbohydrates. But equally important is what happens to amino acids. Tassari 2023 demonstrates that insulin's effects extend far beyond glucose handling to the precise routing of amino acids and protein metabolism. Here's the critical part. Insulin simultaneously stimulates protein synthesis and inhibits protein degradation. This balance enables the conditions for recovery and growth. Without proper insulin signaling, amino acids may not route efficiently and may compromise recovery capacity. But insulin's role extends beyond protein. The biochemistry, as Vargas outlines, shows insulin coordinating glucose storage as glycogen, directing lipid metabolism, and influencing inflammation and vasodilation, blood vessel function. This is where carbohydrate quality becomes essential. Insulin doesn't respond uniformly to all carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates, those rich in fiber and dense micronutrient matrices, trigger a different insulin response than refined alternatives. Plant-based, fiber-rich whole foods sustain natural insulin sensitivity. Research on compounds like curcumin, found naturally in turmeric and other plant foods, demonstrates how micronutrients within whole foods actively support insulin sensitivity and glycemic control. When this system becomes disrupted through chronically elevated insulin, poor carbohydrate choices, or uneven macro and micronutrient intake, the consequences may compound. Metabolic dysfunction, inflammation, compromised recovery, and increased risk of cardiometabolic issues. Sources suggest that the foundational principle is that insulin's role lies in orchestration. A key takeaway: consuming quality carbohydrates, fiber, and whole food macronutrients in a balanced way may therefore participate in insulin's role and subsequently the body's repair and growth process. Based on individual suitability and health status. Subscribe for more weekly segments. Go deeper with holistic high-performance health.